In the grand arena of Forex markets, economic events play the leading role. Picture this, a chessboard where every move, every decision impacts the game. That's the Forex market for you, and economic events are the moves that shape it. These events, from central bank interest rate decisions to unemployment figures, can cause ripples or tsunamis in currency values. A savvy trader knows that timing is everything. They watch these economic indicators like a hawk, ready to capitalize on the slightest currency fluctuation. Remember, an upswing in a country's GDP could mean a stronger currency, while high inflation rates might spell depreciation. It's a delicate balancing act, and the stakes are high. But with a keen eye and a steady hand, the Forex market can be a trader's playground. So, next time you're eyeing those currency charts, remember, they're not just numbers. They're a story, a narrative of economic events shaping the world of Forex trading. Stay sharp, stay informed, and you might just master the art of Forex trading. And there you have it, the impact of economic events on Forex markets from a trader's perspective. Until next time, keep trading.